Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we got a great shave for you. It's Sunday evening. I don't know, sun's starting to go down. Sun's starting to go down. I have slept most of the day. I got off work last night. Wasn't feeling great before work. Went to bed. Pretty much slept all day. Woke up to drink a lot of water, and that's about it. So, what are we shaving with this Sunday evening? CATIE'S Bubbles Gardenia. So I believe this is a stallion scent originally, like it was an homage to the stallion. And we did bloom it. We're going to use our Zen Teton Shaves. I think it's 28 millimeter, something like that. And we're going to tub load today. There's my sit here. And I decided tub load because I just don't care. And I'm looking, guys, where the camera used to be, but I kind of switched things up a little today. We'll see how it goes. Get a good load out of this. Do a little bit of face lather. You know what? I should use the Matty razor, but I don't have it ready to go. I told someone next shave I had, I would use the Matty razor. He was asking some questions about it, technique-wise, angle. It's just been a while since I used it. Mainly, I've been using my my Rockwell 6S or my Henson, because they got Wizamets, and I've pretty much been doing one-pass shaves, guys, like with some buffing, getting out the door. A lot of work lately. That's what we're doing. So I'll take some proto lather, put it on. Face lather. Yeah, work's just been busy, you know, 6 days a week, have time to come home, sleep, do the bare minimum around the house, you know, just to like have food. And clean work clothes. And clean underwear. We all need clean underwear. Trust me. That's been about it. And today I just slept, man. Rehydrated, slept, recuperated. May have loaded heavy on this, I don't know. Definitely need a haircut. We'll build the lather and then move to the mustache goatee area. So how's everybody been doing? Hope everyone's been doing well. Sorry, I know I'm still not getting to comments really, guys. Well, let's talk a little bit about this soap. Gardenia. Very nice flower, floral scent. Like, honestly, if I buy candles that are florals, gardenia, jasmine, stuff I go for. Obviously, honeysuckle. But I mean, the whole point is, it's a really nice floral scent, kind of sweet. If you like it, you know, if you're into florals, pick it up. I don't have a matching splash, but I do like the soap. So I'm going to build a little bit of a lather. Probably 3 days worth of growth here, guys. See how it goes. Gentle scrub going on as much as you can get with a synthetic. And a nice synthetic, let's put it that way. There we go. Oh yeah. Lather all over the hands. It's probably another thing that keeps me from face lathering on a regular basis, but like for the enjoyable, just take your time, shave. But like I said, morning time for me lately has been strictly quick, shitty lathers, just effective and out the door, you know, and just kind of buffing and hitting different angles on the same pass, because you still have plenty of slickness. And I've been using Pedro Fiasco. I'm not shilling for Peter. It's just been the go-to. It's easy to use. Like, my Pedro Fiasco sits in here, and it's pulling away from the tub when I originally shoved it in there, but I mean, I let it soak while I'm in the shower. We lather it up and it works well. So we are going to use something that I just kind of wanted to use today, razor-wise. We're using the Gillette Fatboy. I have it on setting 6. Haven't used this in forever, and I'm like, let's go ahead and give it a go. First used Wizamet in there. That's why I feel bad about not using the Matty razor. I told the guy I'd do it next, but when I decided to get this shave together and wasn't even thinking about it, it's like, let's use something different. And I used like the Fatboy. I haven't used it. I'm not the hugest fan of the Fatboy. Not a big fan of adjustable razors. Adjustable systems like the 6S is different. I know that most recently made Tatara fixes the issues that I don't like with adjustable. It just opens the blade gap. It doesn't change head geometry. But it does work. Been around 70 years or so. Actually, date code, I think this is for the 60s. I just can't remember. But the Wizamet, doing a comfortable job. I think I need to oil it up. My doors were jumping. While opening and closing it. Oh yeah. That felt good. You hear me say the oh yeah, that's when it feels good. And again guys, glorious scent. If you're into florals. There's nothing wrong with being a guy and liking florals, guys. Like, rose was a common scent for a man. You know, at least for a gentlemanly man back in the days when, you know, bathing and showering all the time wasn't a thing. Nothing wrong with it. Kind of had to push my nose up a little with the head and then come back down. There we go. It's really feeling like it did well, guys. Check the line out a little. Hit a little too far over there or not? We'll see. We shall see, right guys? We shall see. Oh yeah. And I got to get back to an email I think came through Friday night. People, if you are interested in Matty soaps, hit me up. I will try to get back to you within 48 hours. Work's just seriously been crazy and I don't have the time for all the stuff I used to do. That's just all there is to it. I wish I did. Truly do. But someone's got to make money, right? Oh yeah. See? Dig it. Huh. We nicked, guys. Ladies. Gentlemen. Oh, we do not do that there. I was about to go against the grain on the lip. Forgot the motto. No fools pass of any on this channel. Might be able to get away with that on a winter shave. See, I started to do it and I already nicked it. But summer is here. Skin irritation is real in the summer for me, especially after a freshly shaved face. Knew that was coming. Trouble area, so. Just how it is. Sorry we're a little more quiet today, guys. Just taking it back a notch. Using a razor. I definitely don't use often, but it has been awesome. Alright everybody, y'all know the drill. We're gonna rinse up and then we'll be right back. Alright everybody, Marion the Barbarian is back. We have rinsed up, cleaned up the brush. I do enjoy this brush, man. I've got quite a few customs I enjoy a lot. This one wasn't that expensive, but still really enjoy it. We're gonna follow this up with some Montblanc Starwalker Aftershave. It's got an atomizer, so I just spray it in the hand. Probably apply again after the balm I'm going to use. Normally not a balm guy. This was a good shave. I really enjoyed it. Excuse the cough. We are going to use Suavecito Menthol Aftershave Cream. Something I've used early on. I haven't used any from this tub, I don't think. Maybe I have. Yeah, it tends to go back, so I wouldn't know. But I sent some to my boy Lather Me Whiskers. I think he enjoyed it for a while. It's a big tub, inexpensive, but my skin's been in the sun a lot. It's been mid to upper 80s, then we got to mid 90s, and my skin has taken a beating, shall I say. Oh, that feels nice. Mentholated. Kind of smells like mint chocolate chip ice cream to me, so that's why I do enjoy it. And you know what, for heck of it, we'll just spray the face. There we go. Feels good. Everything feels good. Gardenia, guys, I recommend it. If you like floral scents, pick up some CATIE'S Bubbles Gardenia. We will definitely let this sit upside down and dry. This probably isn't going to get up till Monday, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful week, and thank you for watching this long.